So wanted to show you something real quick. So probably you have some needs to, let's say, to download YouTube video. It's just an example, and use it and automatically split it to a few pieces, probably to 10 other videos. So, and you don't want to spend a lot of time for that, you just want to do it automatically. So for that I have some ideas, and let me show you how to do it. Then you want to do is actually download the video. For this I use this tool. Just copy the URL and paste it here, click continue, and in a few seconds you'll have your video, even such a long one. So I already did that, so I have this video here. If you click open with Chrome, you can see it here. Okay, nice. But my need is actually, what I need is, since it's 25 minutes or something, I want to split it to 25 videos, let's say, duration of 1 minute. And let me show you some very simple code. It's in Python, so it's pretty simple to install, it's pretty easy to use. And so, yeah, I like the idea and how it works. So let me explain you. So you can actually take it and reuse. The few things you would need to know is like this. It's the duration of every part of the video I want to have at the end. I can change it to 2 minutes or it's in seconds, right? And that's pretty much it. But let me show you how to run it. Something to do it in console. Again, it's everything simple. Let me show you. So you would need to use it like this. So let's say I will show you the directory. Let me show it here. So you have this scripts, it's just a folder, right? So in scripts you have only this file and this video. These ones you can ignore. Probably let me remove it. So you have only this file with this code, right? And you have your big video which you downloaded, or any other video you want to split to pieces. So, and let me show you how that works. So I just need to provide the name here, let's say big, right? Or let's say if it could be, let's say big one, let's say. So just to understand the idea, so it should be big one. Then using the Python, and Python, please run me this script, which is actually this. Probably, first of all, let me show you that I'm actually in the same directory. I'm in script, so my console is here. So, and let me show you now, if I run this, let's see, it takes some time, obviously. So you can see what is created, big one, part 0, and you can see that it's creating MP4, you can see here. You can change it to basically the same format or whatever. So this is the basically format of the video we have at the input, so our initial file. That's what would be the output. By the way, we can also change this configuration, right? If you would like to, but for me it's not that important. So for now I'm just checking it. And you can see that I have also big one part 1. Let's take a look in part 0. Nice. Okay, I closed it. You can see the video here. And let's take a look into part 1. You can see it here. And you can see the, let's say, part 1, and take a look in the duration of the video. You can see that it's exactly 1 minute, right? So it's pretty good. The same part 0, let's see. Again, it's exactly 1 minute. So, and that's what the script is doing. So you can see that it's created already a few videos. It's working on part 3 already. So we can open part 2 and see the piece. So you can see that it's automatically splitting this big video into those pieces you might need. And actually it would need, it would take, I don't know, a few minutes depending on the video size and whatever. But again, okay, the part 3 is ready. Let's take a look. It's a separated video and it's ready, so you can take a look. The quality is pretty good, by the way. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Probably I could explain what it's doing here. So first of all, we are using this library. So let's take a look. This is something that you would need to install, run this pip install when you have Python. If not, you would also need to install Python as well. So, but once you have it, and you could find some more information on this library here, so it's pretty simple to use. And if we move back to the script, what it has also, it has this line. It could be changed too easily. Let's say if you change it with something like this, let's say it would expect that in the place from where you run your code, there should be a video file with this name. But in this case, I use this video file as variable to be able to specify it like this, to call it like this. So yeah, this is just basically reading the video, the big one you have. This is basically so in case if your big video is MP4 or something else, you would need to change your script like this. This is basically to set the duration of the video. Let's say you'd like to have 15 minutes of each video. Let me stop everything here. Let me clean up those parts that we have already. Just so you can see it. So, and let's run the script again. And let's see what it does. So first of all, it needs to read the big one, the big video, right? So it takes some time initially. But after that, it should work much faster, right? And you can see that it's already able to generate you new videos with 15 seconds, and it takes just I don't know, it works pretty nice. You can see, let's open it. Yeah, exactly 15 seconds, and just the beginning. We have 3 videos already, and you can see it works just awesome, right? So nice. I like how it works. So feel free to just, if you have a big video and you want to cut it to shorts or whatever, and that's all you can, so you can change it. So by the way, for example, just let's enhance this a little bit. So you can say that this duration should be video, let's say duration. And so by doing this, the script would be like this: use big one, and video duration could be a param, let's say, I don't know, what do you want to try, 10 seconds, right? And just want to clean up this a little bit, and this one. So now if we run it, okay, it failed. Let me see real quick. It failed. Oh, I know. It's because it needs to convert it to the number, I guess. So let's Google, because I'm not very good at Python. So we need to convert actual string to integer, right? Because that's the way I think it reads variables here. So I think it should be like this, because the video duration should be the number at the end, not the string from the environment. So that's why I think it failed initially. So let's see. Don't have any videos yet, but let me scroll down a little bit. Yeah, you can see that it's creating us the videos with the duration we provided 10 seconds. Let's see if that's so. Yeah, 10 seconds. So at the end you will have a lot of videos with those 10 seconds duration, and you can use them for any needs. For example, just an example, you could take all of those videos and randomly create one big video, just as an idea, or whatever you want to do with it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it would help you save some of your time, and leave your questions. Probably you have some issues installing this or whatever, or you're not sure how to use it. But again, it's pretty simple. All you need, just install Python on your machine. It's pretty easy. Just write like install Python and what it is, Windows or Mac, let's say Mac, and it's very simple. Few button clicks and you should have it. So you should be able to install it using brew, for example, or probably there is even a way to download it. Let's see. I see that there are a lot of requests, yeah, like this, and you can pick up the right library you need and just install it. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.